Hi friends, welcome to Visava Foods channel. Today we are going to make lasagna. For that we will have to prepare the sauce and the lasagna sheets. So let's start. Friends, now we are going to make white sauce. For that I have taken 50 gram of butter. Now my son is going to make this white sauce. The flame should be very low. So first we will melt this butter. Now he is going to add 3 teaspoons of all-purpose flour. The lump should not be formed. Yeah, very good. See, he has mixed it very nicely. Now Atharva, put this 500 ml of milk in it. Be quick. Be careful. Continuously we have to stir it. Atharva, please show me the consistency. Now the consistency is becoming thick. Still it will take 5 minutes. Now we will add little thyme. Added half teaspoon of thyme. I am adding this much of salt. Now we are cooking it on a low flame, so it takes little more time. Stir it from side also. He wants to add little oregano. You can add. Enough. Now we will put off the gas flame. Friends, now Atharva has told me to add chili flakes. Our sauce is ready. See the consistency. Friends, for the red sauce, we have taken one roughly chopped onion, one big size tomato, 3 pods of garlic. First, we are going to make paste of all these things. So let's start. Now, I have added 2 teaspoons of oil. Now, my son is going to help me in making this sauce. So, first put that grinded paste. Now he will be adding 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. If you want more spicy, you can add more. Red chili powder and salt you can add as per your taste. Now he will be adding ketchup, tomato ketchup. You can add that also according to your taste. I am taking nearly 3 to 4 teaspoons. Now we are going to add little water. Enough. We have added nearly half cup of water. Now he will be adding spices. Whichever spice you have, that you can add. I am adding oregano. Enough. If you have any other spice, we are having thyme also. Add little salt. Salt as per your taste. Now mix it well. Now he is adding 1 slice of cheese. It has started melting. We have to mix it with this sauce. Within 2 minutes our sauce is ready. Check the salt. If you want little more salt, you can add. For me it's okay. I always use this sauce for my pasta, for my pizza. Today I am going to use it for my lasagna. So here our red sauce is ready. Friends, now our sauce is getting ready. We will add a pinch of black pepper powder. So here our red sauce is ready. Now We will put off the flame. We have cooked this sauce on a low flame. Friends, let's start kneading the dough. Here I have taken all-purpose flour. I have added little salt and little oil. Now I am going to knead a dough. For lasagna, we are going to prepare the sheets from this dough. So let's start. We will add little water and we will knead the dough. Friends, I have kneaded the dough, see like this. Now we are going to roll chapati that we are going to put in a hot water. For the lasagna sheets, here I am rolling this dough. We will roll it in a circle shape, that is like a chapati. This is a dough made of all-purpose flour. This recipe I am trying for the first time. Let's see how much time does it take for boiling the sheets. For boiling the lasagna sheets, I have kept water for boiling and I have added 2 teaspoons of oil in it. Let the water start boiling. Then we are going to add the lasagna sheets. Now the water has started boiling. We will add this sheet. Be careful. So let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Let's see how much time does it take. Now after 3 minutes, I am removing this sheet. In this way, we have cooked it for 3 minutes. Let's check. Yeah, because again we are going to cook it now. Friends, now I am putting the another sheet. This we are going to cook it for 3 minutes. Now we will remove this sheet after 3.5 minutes. Like this. Friends, here our lasagna sheets are ready. See, it has become transparent. I have kept it in a tray. Our third sheet is getting ready. Friends, for the lasagna, we are going to prepare the vegetable mixture. So here I have taken capsicum, carrot, spring onion, the green part, cabbage, 1 zucchini. I have cut into small pieces. So let's start. Now for the lasagna, we are going to prepare the vegetable. I have added some oil, then added onion. Let it fry for half a minute. The vegetables that I have taken are carrot, cabbage, spring onion, the green portion, zucchini, tomato, capsicum. So now he is going to add the vegetables. Whatever vegetables were at home that I have used, now he has added all the vegetables, that is zucchini, corn, cabbage, carrot, capsicum, tomato. Now we will be adding garlic powder, 1 teaspoon or more than that also not problem. We will add 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. I think little more needed. Nearly 1.5 teaspoon of garlic powder. If you don't have garlic powder, you can use garlic also. Add the herbs. We are not going to cook much. He is adding thyme. half teaspoon of thyme, half teaspoon of oregano, one teaspoon of ketchup, little salt. Salt and chili powder you can take according to your taste. Little more. Now he has mixed all the vegetables. He is going to add chili powder. Half teaspoon of chili powder. If you want more, you can add more. You can add as per your taste. In between you have to stir it. Now the vegetables are ready. We have not cooked that vegetables too much. Just for hardly 2 to 3 minutes. Now we will put off the flame. Friends, our both the sauce are ready. That is red sauce, white sauce. Our vegetables are also ready. And our lasagna sheets are ready. So let's start assembling it. So for that I have taken a pan. Then first we are going to put the red sauce. First we will spread the red sauce. Now I will put this first sheet on this sauce. After placing this sheet, we are going to put both the sauce, red sauce, white sauce, now we will add vegetables. We will spread the vegetables evenly. Let's see our lasagna, how does it taste, because I am also making it for the first time. Now friends, we are going to put some pieces of cheese. I was having these slices, so I am adding the piece of sliced cheese. I have placed the second sheet. Again we will repeat the same process. Now here I am adding cheese spread, sauce, white sauce. Now we will spread it. Here we have taken cheese spread also. Spread it evenly. Now I am adding cheese slice. We have used cheese spread also. Now we will be putting the third sheet. Now we will repeat the same process. Red sauce, white sauce, mix it properly. We will spread it evenly. Now we will add the cheese slice. I was not having grated cheese, so I am using cheese slice in this lasagna. I am using low fat cheese. Now here we are going to add some chili flakes. I am not adding much, this much enough. Oregano. Thyme. Now I will turn on the gas. It should be on. First it should be on high flame for 1 minute. Let the pan get little hot. Then we are going to reduce the flame. Now for a minute it was on high flame. Now I will put it on low flame and I will cover it with lid and let it cook. Friends, after 10 minutes our lasagna looks like this. It is getting cooked from inside. The cheese has started melting. So let's see how much time does it take. I have covered it with lid. Friends, we are going to cook this on low heat only. We are cooking our lasagna on a very low flame. If we are raising the flame, it will start burning from the base. So let it cook slowly on low flame. After 10 minutes, our lasagna is looking like this. So we are going to remove it from the flame. Now I have kept a pan in which I have put some salt. So let it get hot and we will place our pan on this small pan so that direct heat will not come to this pan. And now the lid over here. Then again we will cook it for 10 more minutes and we will check. Friends, I have removed the lasagna from the flame. I cooked it for 25 minutes on a low flame. Now our lasagna is ready. I have kept it for cooling down. We are not going to cut it now, it's too hot. We will wait for 10 to 15 minutes. Friends, after removing it from flame, I kept it to get cool. And after 15 minutes, I have cut it from here. See, all the cheese has melted nicely. So now we will remove it in the plate. We have to be careful, otherwise it may break. So slowly remove it from the edges. See, like this it looks. Friends, our lasagna is ready and I have served it in the plate with little sauce. If you like my recipe, please like, share and subscribe to Visava Foods channel. Thank you.